Good afternoon, Gail. This is Sally over at Toyota of Melbourne. You'd expressed some interest in this 2017 Toyota Prius, and I wanted to come out and just shoot you a quick video of the vehicle, let you know that first of all, it is still available. It is in beautiful condition. Show you the inside of it. It is keyless entry, push button start. Okay, so you don't have to have the key in order to utilize the vehicle. Well, you do. It has to be on your person, but you don't have to take it out and put it into any keyhole. But keyless entry, push button start. It does have a nice touchscreen display. Bluetooth and backup camera do come standard on the vehicle. It does have approximately 18,000 miles on it. You do get really nice Toyota safety sense features that give you additional safety, so it'll actually detect the lanes that you're driving in and assist you back into the lane if it feels like you're moving out of your lane unintentionally. Does have automatic high beams as well. Radar cruise control, so if you put your cruise control on and the vehicle in front of you is going slow, it'll detect that and then slow you down to their vehicle speed. So really nice features and equipment. Gets about 54 miles to the gallon. It does have a battery warranty on it as well, and the vehicle can be certifiable. Now it does go through a certified inspection, but if you want the certified warranty, it'll be a 1 year, 12,000 mile bumper to bumper, 7 years, 100,000 miles on the powertrain from the day that you purchase the vehicle. So let me know if you'd like to stop in and take a quick look at the vehicle, possibly even take it for a quick test drive. And I've got lots of other pre-owned vehicles as well, if this may not be the one for you. My number here, if you could give me a call, schedule some time to come in and take a look at it, it's 321-254-8888. My extension is 349. Again, this is Sally over at Toyota Melbourne. Hope you enjoyed this quick video, and I look forward to helping you out with your purchase.